In this video, we shall see how to prepare alkanes from Grignard region. What is the Grignard region? Grignard region is actually an alkyl group bonded to the magnesium and an halide. How it is formed? Is formed by reaction of an alkyl halide with magnesium in raw ether. We gain an organic metallic compound which is RMGX, an alkyl one group bonded to the magnesium. This is organometallic in nature. As we know that carbon atom R means that our carbon atom is bonded to this magnesium in organometallic bond. So the carbon atom is more electronegative than magnesium because it is a metal. So a negative or partial negative charge is there on the R group or carbon atom, and the partial positive on the magnesium atom. So we can say that this R group has a negative charge and it can act as a base in organic reactions and can reduce certain molecules and certain compounds. This is the base of our reaction which we will proceed. So for example, we do have methyl magnesium bromide as our RMGX. If it is treated with water, so for smoothness of your memory and for easiness, you can remember that whenever this nucleophilic carbon of the Grignard region is reacted with any substance, with any molecule which is reducible by it, then what will happen? It will only get a hydrogen added to our alkyl group, and the rest of the things we shall write other words like this hydrogen goes to this methyl because it is partially negative and this is partially positive, and therefore it gets this hydrogen, and here we have an alkane, that is your methane. So methane has been prepared. So what about the rest? You have MgBr, and this hydroxyl group will be bonded to this. Simple. So similarly, if we carry on reactions plus, if for example we opt C2H5OH, that is an alcohol, what will happen? Only remember about this hydrogen. This partially negative carbon atom will draw this hydrogen out of this reaction, and what will you have is this methyl group bonded to this hydrogen atom, and let's think about what do we have. This MgBr and this ethoxy group. Your reaction is complete and your alkane has been prepared. Similarly, if we proceed, if we react it with some amine, let's suppose that it is C3H7 and H2, then don't get confused with so much things, because this Grignard region, this methyl partially positive, partially negative methyl, will only get this hydrogen out of all this, and the rest we shall write as, you see, plus your MgBr is here, and this nitrogen will be monitored. Very simple. Similarly, if we go a bit far, an alkyne, what do we have? That this partially negative carbon atom removes this one, plus your MgBr and your this carbon, and so that's all from our Grignard regions for preparation of alkanes. It is very easy and it provides